Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our second class, that is part 2 of 16th chapter, that is garbage in and garbage out. In our previous class we have discussed about the meaning of garbage and different types of garbage, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, meaning of that along with the examples. Then we discussed about the garbage produced by the hospital, by factories, by electronical waste, then in our kitchen, and finally we get to know what type of garbage we have to put into the green bins and which waste we have to throw it into a blue bin, right? After that we discussed about the compost, landfill, then vermicomposting along with the use of vermicompost in our agricultural field, right? Today we are going this class we are going to discuss about think and throw. Before we throw anything as a waste, we have to think it once or twice whether can we use it for any other purpose. If it is so, better we can use it, right? For example, your water bottle, if it is leaking, you can use the water bottle to store something else like solid objects, or you can use it as a pen stand. Like that we have to think before we throw. Then 16.4, recycling of paper. We are going to learn how to recycle the paper. Already used old newspaper or old paper can be converted into recycled paper, which can be used to do rough work or can be used as wrapping covers. Okay. Then 16.5, plastics, whether it is a boon or a curse, whether it is a gift from a science or it is a curse from the science. About this we are going to discuss in the today's class, most meaningful class, and really we have to think whether we have to use plastic or not. Are you ready for the class, children? Think and throw. How much of garbage do you think is thrown out by each house every day? You can make an estimate by using a bucket as a measure. Use 5 to 10 liter bucket to collect the garbage from your home for few days. In how many days the bucket become full? It takes 2 days or 3 days. It depends upon the family members and the waste produced by them, right? You know the number of members in your family. If you find out the population of your city or a town, can you now estimate the number of buckets of garbage that may be generated in a day in your city or town? Can you guess it? Tons together waste is produced in our city, right? We are generating mountains of garbage every day, isn't it? Can you see here? The garbage generated by us. We are generating the garbage, though we are very well educated. We know the meaning of garbage and we know whether it is decomposable or not, whether it is biodegradable or not. Then where to throw also we know, but also we are generating the mountain of garbage in wrong place. We are throwing the garbage in public place, right? Which is the most worst thing, right? Have you ever helped at home to sell old newspaper, glass and metal things, plastic bags and your old notebooks to garbage dealer? Talk to him and find out what he does with all the garbage. हड़े paper and every Sunday they used to come and collect, right? Old newspapers or glass, metal objects. They used to collect from each house. Then what do they do with the old newspaper? Would you like to make paper from old or discarded paper? Let us learn. They are going to collect the newspaper from each and every home. Later they are going to recycle the paper. Most of you are familiar with the buff sheet or rough notebook. They have, means the quality of sheet is not good, but it is plain. You can use it for practice purpose or any rough work to do on the recycled paper. Okay students, let us discuss about how to recycle the paper. For that, you will require piece of old newspaper, magazines, used envelopes, notebooks or any other papers. But we should not use shiny plastic coated paper. You will also need a frame fitted with a wire mesh or a net. You have seen the sieving instrument which is used to sieve the sand. Like that wire mesh or net object you need. You can also use a large sized sieve in place of a frame. Tear the paper into small pieces. Put them in a tub or a bucket and pour water in it. We need to take a tub. In that we have to put a paper pieces and water is poured into the tub. Let the pieces of the paper remain submerged in water for a day. One complete day we have to soak the paper in the water. Make a thick paste of paper by pounding it. We have to make it into a thick paste. Now spread the wet paste on the wire mesh. On the wire mesh we need to spread it equally. Wire mesh fixed to the frame. Pat it gently to make the thickness of the layer of the paste as uniform as possible. Means we have to make even layer. Wait till water drains off. Ella neerella jar hogbidbeku. All the water should remove from that paper paste. If required, spread an old cloth or a sheet of newspaper on the paste to let it soak up the extra water. If we put a cotton cloth, it is going to absorb the extra water from the paper paste. Now carefully remove the layer of the paste from the frame. Later we have to remove it from the frame. Spread it on a sheet of newspaper in the sun. Keep the corners of the newspaper sheet pressed by putting some weight so that do not curl up. If not, the edge used to curl. You can add food color, pieces of dry leaves or flower petals or pieces of colored paper in the paste before spreading it. It would help you to get a recycled paper with beautiful patterns in it. Can we recycle everything just as we recycle paper? Is it possible to recycle? Here you can see that lady is using flower petals before she is going to put a paste of paper. After that we have to dry that paste in a hot sun. Later you will get a recycled paper in this way. Hope all of you have seen this paper. 16.5 plastic boon are a curse. Can you see all the objects which I am showing you in the image? Tubs, trays, then chair, bucket, dustbin, spoons, forks, right? Yes, these all are made up of plastic. Some kind of plastics can be recycled, but not all of them. Did you notice that polythene bags and some plastic did not rot? You might have now easily understood why polythene bags create a big problem in garbage disposal. Because it will not decompose, that is the problem. It may be a little difficult to imagine our life without plastic. Once you have a look around you, you will see most of the things are made up of plastic, right? Shall we list a few things we use that are made up of plastic? Let us start making a list. Our toys which we like to play, shoes, bags, pens, combs, toothbrush, buckets, bottles and water pipes. The list is very long. A car, a bus, radio, television, refrigerator and a scooter that are made up of plastics, right? Find it difficult to survive without plastic, right? Plastic became a part of our life, right? We often use plastic bags for various purposes. Even to store cooked food items. Sometimes these bags may not be suitable for keeping eatables. Consuming food packed in such plastic bags could be very harmful to our health. Many a time shopkeepers use plastic bags that have been used earlier for some other purpose. Means yeah, he is going to use second time. Whether it is good or not, he won't think. Sometimes bags collected by the rag pickers are also used after washing them. That means we are going to reuse the plastic. Use of such recycled plastic bags to keep food items could be harmful for our health because already it is used once. For what purpose we don't know. Now we are going to store the food items in such plastic bags and it is very harmful for our health. So for storing eatables we must insist not to use plastic bags that is approved for such a use. See, hot tea is stored in a plastic cover, but slowly the plastic is going to melt with the. It means we are drinking a plastic tea. Say no to plastic bags. Use paper, cloth and jute bags. See, instead of using all this for white flowers, colorful flowers, this person is using about 5 to 6 different types of polythene bags, plastic bags. Instead of that, he can use one beautiful paper or cloth bag, so that you can carry everything in a one, right? So we need to prefer more paper bags, cloth bags or jute bags which are eco-friendly. All kind of plastic give out harmful gases upon heating or burning. The plastic bags which we are using, we used to throw it as a garbage. What? Because it won't be recycled, right? Some plastic cannot be recycled. So the last decision which we are going to take is to burn them. Once we burn, they produce very harmful gases which causes many health problems including cancer also in human beings. The government has also laid down guidelines for recycling of plastics. So you can see here the plastic, we are going to burn the plastic, but the harmful gas which produces by them after burning causes cancer in human beings and it causes air pollution which is the contamination of pure air, right? Which affects for all the living organisms, even birds, animals, plants also. Reject plastic bags, save the earth was the guideline given by the government. You must have noticed that people often fill garbage in plastic bags and then throw it away. When stray animals look for food in these bags, they end up swallowing this. Sometimes they die due to this. What we do, the leftover food is kept in a plastic cover and we are going to throw it. You can see here animals are finding for food and unknowingly they are very innocent animals. They used to eat the plastic bags and we know that plastic won't digest in our stomach. That plastic will keep on storing in the animal's stomach. Finally one day it will die because it is undigestible food. Say no to plastic because the innocent animals are going to eat it unknowingly. See, this cow's stomach is filled with the plastic which gives milk for us and we give for the plastic bags. See how cruel we are. The plastic bags thrown away carelessly on a road and other places get into a drain and the sewer system. As a result, drains get choked and the water spills on the roads. During heavy rains, it might even create a flood-like situation. There is a lot of harm that too much use of plastic can do. See here, we are throwing the plastic objects which will not melt or dissolve in the water. They used to block the drainages. Once the drainage is blocked, the amount of water in this area will increase and it causes very bad situation like flood situation. So such harmful things are done by the plastic objects. What can we do to minimize overuse of plastic and deal with the garbage? Is there any solution for this? Let us see. We make a minimize use of plastic bags. We reuse the bags whenever it is possible. To do so without any adverse effects. We insist shopkeepers use paper bags. We carry a cloth or a jute bag when we go out for shopping. Instead of carrying a plastic bag, we have to use jute or cloth bag whenever we go for the shopping. For better and greenery tomorrow, our PM has told us, use a jute or paper bags. Say no to plastic. We do not use plastic bags to store eatables, which produces very bad effects on our health. Is it safe to store food in plastic bags? No, it is not safe. So we should not store the food in a plastic bag. We do not throw plastic bags here and there after use. So we have to use a proper dustbin to throw the plastic things. Here and there we should not throw. See how bad habit. We never burn plastic bags and other plastic items because it produces harmful gas. We do not put garbage in a plastic bags and throw it away. See here, all the garbage is stored in a plastic bag and it is thrown out. We use vermicomposting at home and deal with our kitchen waste usefully. Kitchen waste again we are going to convert that kitchen waste as a compost. At least one part biodegradable waste we can use it for our purpose. It is good, means it is beneficial for us also, and we can reduce the amount of garbage on the earth. Right? Then we have to recycle the paper as we discussed earlier. What is recycling? Recycling means it involves processing used materials into new products in order to prevent the waste of potentially useful materials. The international recycling symbol is 3 arrow marks: reuse, refuse and recycle. We can recycle waste paper and make it into new products. Paper suitable for recycling is called as scrap paper. The recycled paper is called as scrap paper. We use both the side of paper to write. We use a slate for our rough work. We have to use front part and back side. Means both the side of the notebook papers we have to use it to do writing work. Then we use blank sheet for paper left in our notebooks for our rough work. Last year notebooks waste papers can be converted into a homework book, or you can use it for revision work. Otherwise, some diagrams which we have given for the revision work, such like water cycle or types of magnets, can be practiced in the slate. 5 to 6 times if you want to draw, you can use the slate. Right? We make our family, friends and others to follow proper practice for disposing different kinds of waste. We have to suggest them, we have to guide them to follow the proper practice for disposal of different types of waste. The most important point to know and think about is, more garbage we generate, more difficult it will be to get rid of it. Right? We are generating more garbage. So we are creating more problem ourselves. Right? So we need to minimize the generation of garbage. We need to generate less waste and find ways of dealing with the increasing amount of garbage in our surroundings. So we have to think before we throw. Whether something can be recycled. So once we have to think, there are possibility of some things can be recycled. Let us discuss about. So disposal of waste. If we are generating the waste, and it's our responsibility to dispose the waste in a proper way. We have to throw the glass objects in a green color dustbin. Means color is not important, but we need to see the labels on them. Earlier we have discussed biodegradable waste into green bin and non-biodegradable waste into a blue bin. But in most of the cities, again they have grouped into different categories and the names are written on that. Plastic disposals, we have to throw it in an orange bin. If it is made of the waste is of metal, then we have to throw it into a yellow bin. Like that, the names are mentioned, so we have to properly classify them and we have to throw it in a proper way. Reuse plastic bottles for kitchen storing. This already we know, these are the bottles which are stored once juice or Bournvita, something else can be stored. These all are water bottles. Once we drink the water, we used to crush it and throw it in on the road, right? Not in even in dustbin also, on the road or in the bus, wherever we feel to throw, that can be recycled to grow our plants or to store the kitchen things like pulses and grains. Some waste or old cloths can be converted into doormats. Can you see this beautiful plant? It is made up of pencil shaving which we used to throw it daily in our classroom dustbin, right? This can be converted into a greeting card. Then this waste plastic which we used to dump and throw it, that can be converted into a beautiful bags. Can you tell me with what it is made up of? Yes, with a water bottle. It is made up of a plastic bottle. You can make a container to keep all your color pencils or to store the chocolates. Like this, you can reuse the plastic objects. Think about some more ways to minimize overuse of plastic and reuse them. The most important point to know and think about is that more garbage we generate, more difficult it will be to get rid of. So, recycle each and every day instead of throwing paper and plastic away. Once we have to think before we refuse what you do not need. If we do not need that, we no need to buy it. For example, if you have 3 pairs of slippers, enough. Why you want to buy it more than 3? Which is not useful, because every year your legs are growing. It is no longer in use. Reduce what you do not need. We have to reduce the amount. Reuse what you consume. Recycle what you cannot refuse, reduce or reuse, and rot the rest. After doing this, all remaining things can be converted into a compost. So at last, I am going to tell you to make our planet a cleaner place to live. For that we need to recycle and we have to properly dispose the garbage which we are generating. It is in our hand and it's our responsibility to reduce the garbage and to proper dispose the garbage. Hope you understood that topic. Bye bye children.